Hello and welcome to a tutorial for the Bandicam screen recording software. This software will let you capture what you're doing on your screen so that you can share it with others. So let's go ahead and download the software. I'm going to open up Google Chrome, but you can use any web software that you may have available. And I'm going to head over to bandicam.com. So from the main screen here, if you scroll down just a little bit, you're going to see a free download button. We're going to go ahead and click on that, and then simply click on Download Bandicam. So if you're in the Chrome browser, you should see something pop up down here, and the installation may start for you right away. If not, you can go ahead and just click on this button down here, and it should go into the installation. Now there's a pop-up screen that's showing up for me that you're not going to be able to see. It says, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? And it's referring to the Bandicam setup itself. So we're going to have to go ahead and press yes to that button, on that button there. And then it is going to launch into the installer. So you can close out of the web browser. So we just have the installer screen here. And then we'll just start answering the questions. So please select a language. We're going to leave it on English. And we're just going to hit next on this following screen. We'll agree to the end user license agreement. For the components, we can just leave everything checked and press next. And this is as far as I can go in the installation, but you're going to want to keep this default destination folder and then press install. I can't do that myself because it will end the recording because I'm using Bandicam right now. So anyway, go ahead and press install, and then you should have a finish button when it's completed. I'm going to just hit cancel right now. So when it's finished, it should launch into something that looks like this. It won't look quite like this because I'm actually running the software, but it should be very similar. There's a couple of settings here that you'll need to know about. First, there's two little buttons right here. If we highlight this one, it says Add Mouse Cursor Effects. The only thing that's important here, if you click on this, is you just want to check Show Mouse Cursor. If you don't have that, people won't be able to see what you're clicking on, and it will be hard to follow your videos. So you just want to go in here and make sure that this Show Mouse Cursor button is checked. You can hit OK. After that, you're going to want to click on the Add Microphone button. And then right here where it says Primary Sound Device, by default, this is going to probably say default sound device. If you have a headset that has a microphone on it, you're going to want to find that in this list. I'm using a Logitech headset, so that's why I selected microphone Logitech USB headset here, and then I click OK. And that's going to allow people to hear you speaking in your videos. The other thing, from this home section, there's a few different ways you can make a video. You can click on this and it's going to create like a rectangle on your screen of where you want to record, or you can just use this button here. This is what I'm using. It's just recording my full screen, so you can see from the top of the screen all the way down to the taskbar down here. The only thing left to mention is there is a button for stopping and starting the recording. You can use this big button up here. It's the same button to start the recording and to stop the recording, but if you don't want to use that, there is also an F12 key you can hit to stop and start without having to push the button. So that is going to be it, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.